Okay. Continuing for 13. So again, the moon's 27 nights to return to the same spot, okay, equate to 360 degrees divided by 27, which is 13 degrees and 20 minutes, which is here. 13 degrees, each one of these is 13 degrees and 20 minutes. The sun has 12 months to go from winter solstice to winter solstice. Okay. Now, the sun takes slightly smaller steps to stretch the time to go from 360 to 365, while the moon takes more time to meet up with the sun. That's what this is about. That's where this factor comes into play. This 28th nakshatra, Abhijit. Okay? This brings life to this circle. Like I said the last time about synodic. But I'm going to talk about that later in a different video. Okay? But we'll go back to 27 just to make it easier to see. So 27 physically, it goes around the circle to complete the circle. All this must fit in a circle of 360 degrees. So they accommodate the shrinking of the sun's progression to the stretching of the moon's progression to make 360, to fit 360 into 365. Neither are equal to 360. They are not equal to each other, but material nature doesn't want anything to be equal. Every flower may look the same, but their placement dictates when the morning light strikes it, when the wind makes it move, or when a bee visits it. Okay, that's nature. Everything has its time. Now, to make things simple, okay, we'll use this calculator here. Okay, this is a common multiple calculator. If we put in 12, and here we put in 27, the result is the common multiples of 12 and 27 are 108, 216, that's interesting, 324, and so on. Okay, so the moon needs, so 108 is their first common multiple. Okay, 108. We'll go to 216 in a second. But let's focus on 108. It takes 108 is the first time that 12 and 27 meet up. Now, online calculator again. Okay. Turns out that 12 times 9 is 108. And it turns out 27 times 4 is 108. Okay, 27, we know what that is for the moon. 12, we know what that is for the sun. 4 and 9. Okay, here is the secret. 4 and 9 brings it all together. So the moon needs 4 27s to reach 108. But the sun needs 9 12s to reach 108. Therefore, for the moon to meet the sun, they must be measured by the other's needs. They must exchange their factors. Okay? The sun says, I'll take on, where's it at? Okay. The sun says, I'll take on the path of the 4 identifiers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sin says, okay, I'll take the walk of your 9 identities or identifiers. So the moon takes the sun's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now the moon takes it in this order, takes everything in this order: Ketu, Venus, Sun, Moon, Mars, Rahu, Saturn, Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury. Takes it in this order. The Sun takes the moon's 4 factors in this order: fire, earth, air, and water. Or rivers and rain. Fire, earth, air, rivers, and rain. I will explain why later on this rivers and rain. Spirituality must be encouraged and garnered first. This is why the moon's, but this whole system is why the moon's 27 nakshatras and lunar mansions are many and take many steps, okay? While take many steps for the sun to take bigger steps in time. Okay, the moon races around in small steps, whereas the sun progresses in big steps. But these are the moon's measure, and the sun takes it, whereas these are the sun's measure, as the moon walks that. So this is the hidden equality between the two, and it's all hidden in 108. But the funny thing about 108 is, if you go back here, 108 is half of 216. Okay, and then 324 is 3 times 108. And that's the pattern. Each one goes further, it goes into multiples of 108. Times 2, times 3, times 4, times 5, times 6. That's where 12 and 27 meet up. This is what the East doesn't know about. And none of this, is known in the West. This whole system. Okay? Now, I'm going to pause this for a moment, because I'm going to try to think about how to explain, go into this. All right. So the 108 in this diagram, which is easiest to see, right here, starting it, here's Aries, Taurus, ending up in Pisces and Aquarius, going backwards. Here it's going this way, as these arrows show. Okay, Aries is right here. Start here, and you count each one of these lines. This is the 108. Each one of these 4 sections of the nakshatra makes up 4 parts of the 108. So here's the 4 right here, and then in the sign you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See this line right here? That's 9. 10, 11, 12. Here's the 12th sign, and the split for the next. Okay, so this part here is the 3 extra that goes to the next sign, but here is the first 9. So here's the 9 for the sun given to the moon. Okay, here's the 9 that the the 9 that the moon walks. Okay. And the elements are what the sun walks in. But this one doesn't show the elements, just shows the signs. So now, here's another secret that I'll show you. I have to show you in a different graphic. This one here is going in the opposite direction. It's going this way. Okay? It's going this way. So that's why I stuck with the first one at first. So this one shows a different pattern. Okay? This line right here. Okay? This line right here, this is the line of the same 108. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then 1, 2, 3. Okay, here is another secret of the zodiac, how the two merges meet. Okay, this is how the elements come into play. Here it starts at Aries, goes Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, all the way to Sagittarius, and then Capricorn, Aquarius, Pisces. Okay, this is a cardinal sign. Okay, starts with a cardinal sign here of Aries. Okay, this is a fixed sign. The same Taurus sign is in the middle. And this is a mutable sign. The mutable sign ends. Is showing the ending. But then the next sign, Cancer, another cardinal sign. Cardinal begins Cancer. And then fixed sign, a fixed sign is in the middle of the fixed sign. And then here in Virgo, I'll get rid of that. Right here, Virgo, Virgo, Virgo. Right here, this is where it's ending. It's a mutable sign. And then Libra, cardinal sign, begins the new. Let's show you on this graphic. Okay, let's clear this up. Okay, so here you begin with Aries. Again, we're going this way now, opposite. They make things very easy for us to grasp. Okay, fixed sign. Taurus, right in the middle. Gemini, right at the end. Cancer, right at the beginning. Leo, fixed, right in the middle. Virgo, where are you at, Virgo? Right here. Libra, cardinal, right in front. Mutable, in the back. Cardinal, right in front. Fixed, right in the middle. Mutable, where are you at? Right in the back. Cardinal, right in front. Fixed, right in the middle. And lastly, Pisces, right at the end. Wow. Isn't it beautiful? So another thing about this, which I'm going to end soon because it's coming up to 15 minutes, is that look at the shape. You got how many points? 1 point, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. An 8-pointed star. 8-pointed star. What does the 8-pointed star correspond with? I'll let you decide that. Figure that out. That's it for today. Well, that's it for this video. We'll move on to the next.